Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm Smarans. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this product, bird feeder. And here it looks. Also check out my previous video on how to make bird water feeder at home, which I posted during last summer. There are lots of birds around my house and I wanted to feed them. So we bought this product in online and we finally received it today and I'm super excited to feed the birds. Here's the product which we received and now I'm gonna make it. I see some plastic pieces inside. Can you see it? No. I open the cap. Wow. And now I open it and now I see one stand. Oh, maybe here's the birds can stand and eat the food. Let's keep it. And I fixed it. Here's one done. And next one. Here is the next one. It goes here. Yes. Almost fixed it. Fixed it. Yes. Fixed the next one. And next is these. Next one is. Yes. Almost it's going to be done. Here is the next one. And the last one. It's done. So we don't need here, nothing is done. And there's a screw. Wow, the fastener maybe. So let's fix this in here. So can you see a hole here? Small. And here also one hole. And I found the hole and I'm keeping that fastener. And here is my come on, get into that hole. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Yes, I found the hole and now I'm fixing it. Oh. It's getting into the hole. Too tight. Oh, yes. Almost done. Almost fixing it. Oh, it is all. It's sticky. And here's the screw. And now we are done. And also I forgot to show you something. So you can also hang two things outside. Yay! So here's the food and check it out. And we found this in a pet store nearby our home, and you can go to any pet store and buy this food. And now I'm gonna pour it inside. Whoa. Can you see it, guys? Let's take this bird feeder a place that birds can eat. Come on, let's go.
3.
Oh, guys, we're here, magic. So I'm gonna keep this bird feeder here. Like this. Oh yes, coming with you. like this place and they come to eat. Now I'm gonna hang my second bird feeder up over there. Now I'm gonna climb up. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. Climb up. Hi. Little down. And now, yes. On the moon. Yeah. See? Our bird feeder is hanging. Now let me come down. So hope you like this video. Just subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And bye bye.